Hello sewing people and welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how to wind a bobbin on a vintage sewing machine. This is a Singer 404A. It's a straight stitch. Most of the vintage machines that have a threader, bobbin winder attachment like that pretty much work the same way, so I'm going to show you how it works. Get your thread started through the hole there if you can, and then wind it a little bit so it won't go flying off. Stick it on the bobbin case, run it through this. Now like I said, I have a spool over there on the floor. I mean, this will work. It's a little bit tight. Yeah, my thread's just too tight. It's not, I got it, like I said, I have it on the floor. It's not pulling like it should. But this is how you would do it. Let me see if I can get the thread up. It might be tangled. Alright, I'm going to try with this thread right here since it's a little bit brighter color. We'll do the same thing. Stick it through the hole. Get it started a little bit. Wind it a few times so it'll be kind of tight on there. I'm just going to hold it like this. I believe it's easier this way. And that's it. That's all you do. And you pull your thread off. And then you're going to cut that little string that you had at the top. Well, it must have went in underneath when I was winding the bobbin. So that's how you do it. And then you tighten your wheel back up right there. Put your bobbin back in position. And then you go to sewing again. Well, you thread your machine. So that's how you wind a bobbin. Hope that helped you out. Thanks for watching. Bye now.